Senior leaders play a critical role in employee engagement. People want to be able to connect with leaders and interact with them. They want to feel that they are being listened to. And for senior leaders, the Enterprise Social Network provides a unique platform to do this at scale. But how well are they doing it? SWOOP admins are able to benchmark senior leaders and then coach them in how they can improve or hone their engagement skills. You can get a very detailed picture of their behavioural profile, the SWOOP persona, of each person, and also compare not just their level of contribution, but also the extent to which their employees are engaged with them. It all starts on the personal dashboard. Then head to the benchmarking category to start building your leaderboard. If you're a SWOOP admin, you'll see the benchmarking report appear. You get started creating a list by clicking the plus button. This then walks you through a series of steps to create your benchmarking list. First, I'll name my list. Let's call this one Senior Leaders. Now, search for the names of each colleague you would like to add to the list. Let's add Shirley, Benjamin, Deborah, and Sarah. Just put a tick next to the name to add them to the list. For extended lists of users, you can also upload a CSV file of email addresses by clicking here. When your list is complete, click OK. You'll then see a table of people you selected. The table will show for each person how many posts they made, replies made and received, likes made and received, and mentions made and received. You'll also see things like the curiosity index, mention index, and their SWOOP persona. The total activity level here represents the total number of all of these numbers here. The ranking is based on looking at their own contribution level and comparing it to everyone else in the organisation. A 5-star ranking means that the person is in the top 20% of most active users. Ideally, what we want to see from senior leadership teams is that everyone is a 5-star engager or a 5-star catalyst. To find old lists you've created, click on the drop-down and toggle to different comparisons. You can also remove or edit existing listings by using the icons on the right. Click on this button here to create a new benchmarking list. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for an introduction to the SWOOP personas and how to help senior leaders improve their collaboration skills.